What is up, KNA Mafia? What's up, KNA Mafia? I'm Kimura.
And I'm Anthony.
And today we're going to be making a video with a slime kid. Wow. Okay, so y'all, I'm going to come back to y'all when...
What's that on that beat?
I open the box. Okay, y'all, we got it open. So this is what it came with. These and these two colors. So we both want blue. So I'm gonna switch it up by we both got our eyes closed, and then we gonna see which one I pick. So I'm gonna close my eyes. Close my eyes. I don't know which one is which. It's not bad. And you can't open your eyes. I'm gonna just say pick one. 3, pick one. Oh yes!
I didn't pick one.
You cheated. I did not cheat.
Yes, you did. You already had a color in your hand.
No, I didn't. I had it right there.
Okay,
Oh
let me
well.
switch it up.
Okay, oh well.
No, bro, you cheated.
Bro,
Let
come
me
on.
color
Come
up.
on, bro.
Y'all, she a crib. That's why she want that color.
Okay, y'all, so.
Yeah. What?
What's that on that beat?
Yellow? Kimura, oh yeah, you gotta have that color because that's your favorite skin in Fortnite.
Okay, yo, we're not gonna use that. Okay, well, this is really cool. So we go for it. Get Fortnite. Alright. Yes, I mean, this. No, because that's jelly cheese here. What? You see how big that is? Yes,
Well, this is literally slime itself. It would make sense slime and slime together. It's literally
okay, we're gonna get that.
Is that how they make jelly fruits? Cause like,
Mine's not done for me yet. I'm a little kid doing this. Alright. Bruh, I feel so unaccomplished. Do y'all see this, bruh? I feel like
What's that on that beat?
got that Spider-Man texture. I'm about to be Spider-Man up in here.
Y'all see this one? That's
Yo, this is. Yo, look at this. What liquid pours like that? Like,
okay, I'm so together.
and Kimura had a YouTube channel with her sister, and then she had another one, but it wasn't that many videos on that channel, so me and her just made up a channel. So
Yeah, because he always come over here and stuff, so
yeah.
we've been
What's
having
that on that beat?
ideas. So, yo, this is how it's turned out.
What? Okay, Spider-Man, you're not working good with me here. Cause like, okay, yo, I got a couple of this stuff. So now look at this. Please tell me what liquid pours like that.
No homo. No homo. Because y'all be on that weird stuff.
Somebody in the comments, no, you're on that weird stuff. That's weird. Okay, Spider-Man. jelly skin in Fortnite. Like when season 1.
How don't you got no glitter in yours? You demolished it. Y'all, he ain't got no types of glitter. Y'all see this?
That's
Put that
no,
on that
look
beat,
at mine,
ho.
y'all. That's because yours is more lighter. See, you okay, y'all.
But yeah.
Ooh, so put some of this on your hand so it put you self-confident. Did you drop?
I don't even know. But y'all, this is kind of messy.
Yeah, yours kind of messy.
Okay, mine is done. Oh, okay.
There ain't no ASMR.
Okay. But yeah. Mine's like nail polish. Yeah, mine's like
For some reason, when I first.
Jesus. Okay, but anyway, you can see what you're supposed
Okay, when I first had X's, it looked like Kool-Aid. Oh, y'all, look it. Nope. Wait.
Buzz it on that beat,
Oh
ho.
God, how do you make girls like this? I think we're gonna have to switch.
No,
Please,
no,
bro.
no.
Buzz it on that beat, ho.
Please, bro. You don't have to make her something like this. Yo, look at it. Compared to mine.
Yeah, see, girls, they all that. Yours is like up on your this
Alright, yeah, so that's our first question. We're gonna be back with another video. I don't know when, but we should be making another video every week. Yeah, every week.
Like,
Cause we're gonna be busy doing school stuff.
so y'all, we doing this while this corona stuff up. We got our next
But yeah, so that's the end of the video, and we're gonna